So good evening, everyone. Welcome to San Isidro Psychiatric Rehab Home. So unlike your other rotations, this place is not a hospital. The patients here are like residents, no? But the thing is that some of the patients here cannot recognize reality. So you may face some hallucinations, delusions, and so on. So before you enter the patient's room, it's very important to remember to be a human being first before being a nurse. So make sure to listen to your patients, remain calm, and if you don't understand anything, just let me know, okay? Okay, so let's now move on to your assignments. So because it's your first day here in the psychiatric clinical rotation, I'm gonna pair you up. So first, let's have Miss Anna and Teresa. Here you go. You guys will be room 102, Mr. Lino, 65 years old, retired teacher, schizoaffective disorder. Next, we have Ella and Mary. Here you go. You guys are room 108, Miss Rhea, 35 years old, catatonic schizophrenia. And lastly, we have Miss Leia, Emily, and Joy. Here you ladies go. That is room 210, Lolalita, 71 years old, diagnosed with major depressive disorder. So that's all. Any other patient information can be found in your patient's chart.
Excuse me. Room 313 needs someone this week. She had an episode last night. She has paranoid schizophrenia. For now, she's stable, but we need someone to watch her closely.
Room 313? That wasn't mentioned in the morning endorsement. Who requested this?
Special case. The head nurse requested a student nurse to observe her closely.
Okay then, so who would like to volunteer for this? But be reminded, this is your first day, everybody. Anyone?
I'll do it, ma'am. Kaya ko po.
Are you sure, Miss Joy?
Yes po, ma'am. I want to try.
Okay, go ahead.
Para hindi ka mahirapan.
Magandang gabi po, ma'am. Ako po si Joy, student nurse niyo po for the whole week. Ma'am. Hello po, ako po si Joy, student nurse niyo po for the whole week. Okay lang po ba sa inyo?
Alam mo, hindi ko na talaga alam kung saan ako pupunta. Ang mga mata, minsan, ay hindi totoo.
Ma'am. Ma'am, magaan lang po ang pakiramdam niyo. Gusto niyo mo magpahinga?
Wala akong pakiramdam. Bawat galaw, sinusunod na isang tao.
Wala pong problema, ma'am. Pwede kang magpahinga ngayon.
Tuwing gabi, may nurse na dumadaan. Walang paa at nangunguha ng isipan.
Ma'am, si Miss Santos lang po yun. CI po namin at mabait siya na nurse. Saglit lang po, ma'am, ha?
Hindi siya taga rito. Bigay sa inyo ng chart.
Si ma'am, pinatawag ata siya sa school. Emergency meeting daw with the faculty.
Bilin niya, kung may update daw tayo sa patients, tawag lang daw. May naka-assign na cellphone sa atin.
Hello, ma'am. This is Joy Rego po. Tapos na po ako kang Miss Reyes sa room 313. Just wanted to update you of my findings po.
Hello, yes? Go on, please.
So for room 313, patient identified as Maria Reyes. Upon initial assessment, she appears disheveled with poor hygiene, flat affect, minimal eye contact, and disorganized speech observed. Patient reports auditory hallucination stating may mga boses daw sa sulok ng kwarto.
Good. Very thorough. So just continue observation and don't force the meds, okay? And then also document everything and notify me if there's any escalation, such as aggression or refusal to eat, okay? Because we can't risk deterioration. But anyways, this is a good start, Miss Joy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. This is noted. Magandang gabi, ma'am. Ma'am, ako po si Joy. Kukuha lang ulit ako ng vital signs sa inyo, ha?
Bakit kong lapitan? Huwag mo akong lapitan. Lumayo
Ma'am,
ka.
bakit? Anong nangyari? Anong naramdaman mo, ma'am?
Sinabi ko na sa kanila na ayaw kong magpagamot. Nilalagyan nila ng lason yung gamot ko.
Ma'am.
Tinuturukan nila ng signal ng utak ko.
Ma'am, wala pong lason yung gamot mo, ma'am. Safe po ito, ma'am.
Wag.
Ma'am, para po ito, mawala yung takot nyo.
Hindi, sinabi na rin niya. Sabi ng mga nurse. Kagaya na lang nun yung kagabi. Yung nurse na wala pa. Wag po.
Ma'am,
Wag.
ako po yung nurse niyo, ma'am. Walang ibang tao dito. Ma'am. Hey, Clara! Clara, open patient chart. Patient Maria Reyes.
Opening patient chart. Maria Reyes. Paranoid schizophrenia.
Clara, note patient showing acute paranoia.
Noted. April 24th, 3:04 a.m. Episode of paranoia. Delusional content noted. Recommended. Maintain verbal reassurance.
Pinag-uusapan niyo ako.
Delusions.
Wag.
Administer Olanzapine 10.
Ma'am, humiga po muna kayo. Huwag na po kayong matakot ha. Hindi po yung totoo. Assistant lang po namin yon.
Joy? Pag nakita mo sila, huwag kang magtiwala, ha?
Esa, okay ka lang? Hoy, anong pinagsasabi mo?
Di mo pa naririnig, Joy. Sabi ni Madam Reyes, di ba? May nurse na walang paa. Tama siya.
Ha? Paano mo nalaman yun? Wala akong... Teresa, okay ka lang?
Wala na si Ana. Siya yung una. Tapos ikaw, Joy. Ikaw na susunod.
Joy, okay ka lang?
Ha? Teresa?
Kanina ka pa tulala, sis. Uwi na tayo. Ayun, e-bike.
Wala sa kama? Ma'am, okay ka lang?
Alam mo ba, Joy? Hindi lahat ng salamin nagsasalamin. Minsan, sila ang nagmamasid.
Ma'am, magpahinga ka muna, ma'am. Humiga ka muna. Ma'am! Hey, Clara.
Hello, how may I help you today?
Note this. April 25, 4:17 p.m. Patient found standing in front of mirror. Verbalized delusional belief that mirror is watching her.
Note saved. Patient name and room number, please.
Maria Reyes, room 313.
Error. This patient does not exist.
Impossible. I saw her. I just updated her chart.
Parang nakakita ka naman ng multo, Miss Nurse, ha?
Sorry, nabigla lang. Sira po ba ang system ni Clara? Nag-error po kasi inactive yung room 313.
Room 313? Ha! Kala ko ba sinara na yan? Tagal lang walang pasyente dyan. Hindi na nga yan pinapagamit yung kwarto na yan, eh.
Pero may naka-assign sa akin na chart. Maria Reyes. Naka-room 313. Patient ko po siya.
Maria Reyes? Tagal nang walang Maria Reyes dito, ma'am. Bakit pa kaya pinapagamit yung kwarto yan? Dapat sarado na nga yan.
Hindi. Paano ko nakuha yung patient chart niya? Today? Siya yung nabigay kasi ng chart.